We take indoor basketball pretty seriously in this house. We've gone through several of these cheap plastic hoops. They're too small and they just don't last. So instead of buying another one, my son and I decided to see if we could build something better ourselves. We had 3 guidelines for this project. It has to be bigger than the plastic ones, it has to survive real games, and it has to look like it actually belongs in our house. My younger son even drew some plans for us to follow. With all that in mind, we gathered what we needed and got to work. We marked out the backboard and routed a channel for the LEDs so they'd sit flush and glow evenly. We also added some blocking to the back so we could mount it securely to the wall. This thing isn't light, and I don't want Shaq Jr. ripping it down. We're going to use the little clips that came with the kit to hold the LEDs in place. Then we're going to cover it with an acrylic sheet to protect the LEDs and hopefully create that glowing effect on the backboard that we're looking for. But before the lights can go in permanently, we have to paint it. We use the same white trim paint and leftover gray from our kitchen, so the colors will match the rest of our house. I also spray painted the rim white so it would match. Once the paint dried, we could get back to the fun part. I reinstalled all the clips and ran the LEDs. To install the acrylic sheet, we have to drill some holes with a countersink bit so the screw heads will sit flush with the surface. Then we can attach it to the backboard. I had to be really careful not to crack the acrylic, so I started each screw with the drill, then finished them off by hand. Now I'm getting excited. This is turning out just like we planned, it looks great, and now we can install the actual hoop. The rim attaches to the backboard with this bracket, and then we add the net. I was able to run the LEDs around the rim as well, which I think is going to look awesome. Next, I attached some 2x3s to the wall studs so the blocking I installed on the back of the hoop could rest on top and securely mount to the wall. I gave them a quick coat of wall paint so everything looks good, then attached the backboard to the wall for the final time. The last thing to do was install a cord protector on the wall so nothing gets caught up in the cord. One final test, and I think we're ready to play. I finished the install while my kids were at school to surprise them. Now I just have to wait for them to get home so we can play.
Yeah, we do it!
This is exactly what we were hoping for. It's sturdier than the plastic ones, the bigger hoop lets us use real indoor balls, and it's actually holding up to real games. But honestly, the best part of this whole project was building it with my boys. This was a lot of fun, and we're already working on something even crazier in our basement.